everyone! Today I'm going to be showing you how to do a sun salutation. Ready to begin? Let's go! So hey, it's supposed to be a sun salutation, but it has just started raining really heavily here. But doesn't matter, we will start our sun salutation anyway. Begin by coming to the front of your mats. And let's just stay here for 3 long breaths. Inhale. And exhale, feet together, palms facing out. Inhale. And exhale, feel your spine lengthen and just relaxing through. Last inhalation here. Deep breath in and exhale. Alright, let's start the sequence. Inhale, bring your palms together, slide back, bend, and exhale, bring your palms down, either side of your feet. And inhale, coming up to tabletop position. Spine is nice and long here, as flat as you can get it, suck in that tummy. And exhale, palms down, either side of your feet. Step back into plank position. And bring yourself down in chaturanga position here. And inhale, turn the feet and bring yourself up to upward facing dog. Alright. Exhaling, push yourself back, hips back into downward facing dog. And if your hamstrings are feeling tight here, all you can do is pedal your feet. Even bend your knees a little bit, push your hips up, and just warming up the hamstrings. Keep doing that for a few times, just to loosen up, especially if you're doing this first thing in the morning or as your first sequence of the day. Alright, bring your heels down. Don't worry if your heels don't touch the ground. After practice, a lot of practice, they will eventually touch the ground. Alright, inhale, bring your right foot forward, left foot forward. Exhale back to the tabletop position. Slight bend in the knees is fine. And inhale, coming up all the way, slight back bend, and exhale, palms back down to heart center. That was first half of your one round. Yeah, let's do the other side now for balance. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, coming down. Inhale, tabletop position. And exhale, palms back down. Left foot back, right foot back, plank position. Bending your elbows, come down to chaturanga. Inhale, up to upward facing dog. And exhaling back to downward dog. Going a bit faster now. And let's start. Left foot forward, right foot forward. Coming up to tabletop position. And last inhalation up. And exhale. And it's back down to heart center. And that, folks, is one round of your sun salutation. Try to do that for 10 rounds every day, just to awaken the mind and body. See you next time.